Hi, this is Jackie with WTI. Big eyebrows are in style and they're here to stay. And so if you're looking like I was to fill in the gaps in your eyebrows, make them look fluffy and full, the NYX Fill and Fluff Eyebrow Crayon and Brush set is such an easy to use, awesome tool. So you can see here is the crayon part. It's kind of a thicker point. It has a point on one end that you can kind of use to do a smaller, more defined hair look. And then if you want to just fill in bigger sections, you can use the whole part of it, the whole body of it for this. So it is so easy to use, versatile, and you can kind of blend it out with the brush. It's a sturdy brush. And you can see just, so I have fluffed and filled and my eyebrow looks big and full and natural and I absolutely love it, and it's just the best. I love NYX products, and when I am in the mood for fluffy filled eyebrows, this is my go-to. I use color taupe for my hair color. So this NYX Fill and Fluff gets the job done in an easy to use for anyone way, but that's just my point of view.